What's up, YouTube? Guys, I'm bringing today a mixed curly high taper fade. I'm so excited to bring you guys a tutorial on here. I haven't dropped anything for a while. Been so much in my courses and stuff like that, but I wanted to be able to just give you guys a very short little tutorial so you guys can, like, get some free education out here. So one of the first things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing the back taper. I balled out the bottoms in the back roughly, a lot higher than most people. I want to really be able to keep a really smooth transition, tight but high enough to really see a good blend. This is my homeboy Christian as well. I've been cutting his hair for many years, since high school. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going with our wall baldings. The wall baldings are something that you bald people out the back. Okay, then we're going to be going over after that with our 𝐷𝐸 liners just to get even more detailed, and then we're going to be starting off with our actual clippers with our wall magic clips with our guards open. Okay, open, halfway, close techniques to blend. Then we're doing some clipper over comb to get the back bulk out. Okay, it's very important to understand that it's all about being able to blend and take down bulk at the same time to create the shape and the transitions that you like. Okay, and we're going with our wall magic clips open. We're not just going, with it closed. We're trying to be conservative when we do clipper over comb. Then we're going halfway. Okay, we're going back over it. Then we're going closed, and we're getting that bottom line out. Okay, one of the best things that you guys should do is click the link in my bio and join my tutorial membership. It's a little bit different, you guys. It's a subscription base that you guys could try for 3 days, a free trial. You guys get access to 8 hours of content a month. I'm delivering 2 videos to you every single week that are 45 minutes to an hour long, breaking down the entire haircut, the entire steps, everything from the clippers to the modification to the styling to all the things that you won't see on YouTube. A lot of YouTube videos are very short, very condensed, and they only go over a few basics of things. I'm going over the full breakdowns that are actually seeing results for students, and I'm going to show you guys some great testimonies later. But okay, we're using the half guard here, okay, open, and then we're going closed. Okay, so we're going with our guards open and closed. Okay, I'm going back out with my 𝐶 outliner just to get that bottom line out. But when we fade, we're just fading all the way up. Okay, we're taking our one guard next. Okay, so the next guard is the one guard. Okay, the next guard we have is our half guard. Okay, we're going with our one guard open, and then we go closed. That's how you get your lines out, open and closed. Then we're going with our 1.5 guard, open and closed. Okay, so my programs are something that really you want to be able to invest in yourself and learn the further education that really takes it to take your haircuts to the next level, because I'm able to break things like this down in a very slower manner, full detail in every single step that I'm not skipping and cutting out. So then we're just lining up around the neck. And we're taking the corner of our blades. We're not trying to do too much. We're taking the corners of our blades. Okay, and then we're doing clip over comb to kind of create this blowout effect with the taper and the curls. Okay, we're doing a little bit of trimming on the sides. So again, guys, just to give you guys a brief description, okay, the link is in the bio. You guys get 45 minutes to an hour tutorials breaking down all the haircuts. If you look at my student right here, Ross, he has a crazy transformation, okay, guys. He started off with just kind of like not having his blends right, now really clean. My guy Pablo blends, only 2 months from taking my course, guys. These are actual results of taking my course, the difference that it changes in your haircuts, because it's the little details. Even my student here, it's the little details that changes your haircuts that you guys want to be able to invest in yourself and learn the things that take your haircuts to the next level. And I have a free 3-day trial, so you guys can test it out, try it out, and cancel before you guys are charged. And as well as I give a 30-day money-back guarantee to my program, so that if you can see, so that if you don't see any value in the program after 30 days, you can get your refund. Okay, so right here I'm balding out on the sides. Okay, I'm going all the way up to around the temple of the taper. I'm going open. Okay, then I'm going halfway. And then I'm going closed. It's the little details, guys, that when you learn them to the next level, I'm telling you, it's the reasons why I've been able to charge $100 a haircut as a barber right now, currently. And we're going with our half guard open and then closed. And if my voice sounds a little bit cracky, man, I'm recovering from just being sick the past couple weeks, or the past week. Right here, we're doing clipper over comb again, trying to get down that bolt before we move on to the next stage. It's all about keeping that blend as tight as you possibly can. Then we're working our blend back down and going with our 1.5 guard open and closed. Okay. And we're going to be focusing in on the details when it comes to our lining and as well as our taper. So little details. We do a lot of cleanup work throughout the haircut. You know, obviously, like I said, you know, my video right now is only like 7 minutes. Like, for me to demonstrate what it takes to create a masterful haircut isn't going to be in a 7-minute video. For those who want to invest in themselves and learn the things that actually take the things to the next level, really join my program. It's going to change everything. You know, I got over 500 students enrolled in just that course alone. People are actually seeing the value of it, and there's so many testimonies on my Instagram that I'm showing. So if you guys want to see the proof, go on my social media, go on my Instagram, check out the testimonies, go click on the link and check it out for yourself. Right here, guys, I'm going with my Andis Masters. I'm just cleaning up a little bit of work. I see some lines I want to get out. I use Andis Masters very rarely. I'm mostly focusing on my wall magic clips, but here and there you want to be able to just use some different clippers if you want to, just to get a better efficient result. You know, I really like the way Andis comes out sometimes when it comes to just detailing and doing things that are just enhancing, you know, detailing the cut. So now I'm finishing up this cut and I'm just going back over some detail work. You can see the blend is finished on both sides. Okay, I've even used enhancements on this one. I use a semi-permanent compressor, but for video time I cut it out. But what I would say, guys, it's all about understanding that you want to take down your bulk, you want to start your tapers off, and you want to focus in on the detail. Okay, so I appreciate you guys for watching this tutorial. Guys, please take a look at the program, because I think it's really going to help a lot of barbers and change the game for them, because there's a lot of secrets, a lot of techniques, a lot of strategies, a lot of fading to my system that a lot of barbers need to learn in detail and actually take the time to learn it and implement it, because it builds you more clients, it attracts satisfied clients, and it actually gets your haircuts a lot better, just like the students that I've showed you before. So guys, invest in yourself. Click the link and try the free day trial. If you guys don't like it, you guys can cancel it, and if you guys want to continue for the 30 days, you guys can get a money back guarantee as well. So there's no risk to you for taking the program. Take a look at the students again who are killing it. I'm telling you guys, you'll see the most benefit from it. I'll see you guys, you know, when I want to drop another YouTube video. Have a good one.
DJ 𝐥𝐤𝐤, ET, 𝐥𝐤𝐤 terrestrial.